Earlier I did a video about loading my truck up with my WR250R and riding trails at Stanislaus National Park just north of Yosemite. Here are some clips.
I mean, we're just starting summer right now, the second week of June. And normally these roads are like closed off because of snow. But man, there's so much green here. I think it's a good time to come. I bet there's some snow melt, rivers and creeks around here, waterfalls even if I ventured a little deeper.
It was an epic ride for me. Check out the card here to see more. There are countless trails that I still need to explore, and this city boy didn't want to leave, and I definitely plan to come back. This video is about my reluctant ride home. So glad I took the long hike out of the city with my truck, my bike. Did a couple hours of trails in the outskirts of Yosemite. All right, got the bike in the back, heading back home, and this is what I love about this place. There's just off the main road over there, there's an off trail that I think that runs parallel to the main road. So I think I'll take the long way home. Nice. I don't think anyone's on this road. Looking like a surface road of some kind. The electrical, high voltage wires. Now it's clear to me, you know, a dual sport bike can take you places in the middle of nowhere. But if you put a dual sport in the back of a truck, truck can take you to those places, all better. I guess the moral of the story is if you go to a national park, make sure to you know, take the off-beaten trails. So sign back there says this is definitely a surface road, PG&Es, and you can see the service lines there. One thing about these national forests here in California is a lot of the forest fires around here are started from these power cables. So you can see, you know, the effort it was taken to really clear the trees and the shrubs to avoid anything catching fire. Rock up there looked like a person, and when you got closer to it, it really is a rock. Anyways, there's my black WR250R dual sporting in Yosemite National Park. Brap brap. With everything happening in these times, it's good to get away and just find an escape once in a while. Doesn't matter where you go or what you got, this is where it's at. In the middle of effing nowhere. Today's such a great day. It's probably like 65 to 70 degrees out. What is dual sporting really? Does that mean two vehicles going on an adventure? Oh, these are cool. Cool trail. Nice uphill. Good scenery. Feels like a bear is going to jump out of these bushes any minute now. Whoa. Now that is one big ass cow. What's up? Oh. Okay. Moo cow. I didn't mean to cause a stampede. Man, this reminds me of the scene from Jurassic Park. It's like a lone cow just sitting out here with a bell, waiting for the velociraptor. Wow, he's got a bear claw on the back there. Anyways, the Jurassic Park cow. Alright, looks like this is the end of the trail. Whoa. You gotta use your signal when you cut in front of me. Well, I heard it before I saw it. There's the water. Probably from those snow-capped mountains, now melting in the summer. This place is epic, no doubt. Anyways, that's the end of the road for me. I'm going to start heading back. I do plan for future videos to be taking my truck, my WR250R, heading out to more trails, maybe national forests, maybe other places, but we'll see. Stay tuned. If you like these videos, give me a like, subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in a bit.